Hello, happy to be connected. Good evening. Today I'm making this video for one of my subscriber. He is asking, sir, please make video on local file and central file. So local file and central file, if you need to understand, you have to understand about server. In one of my presentation recently I have explained. Here you can see. So for example, in case of a letter or a hard copy, in case if you are sharing the document through postcard or courier, then 2D exchange method will be applicable. So and the collaboration will be very difficult. So you need to take more effort to keep the current document, to update the document. Okay, but here in the right side you can see, so we put a BIM document in the center. That means we are keeping our file in common area so that everybody can access the file instantly. So here the common area means for a LAN server or internet drive. You can take a Google Drive. So once the file is kept in Google Drive, for example an Excel sheet in a Google Drive, so in a team, if the file is shared with many persons, then anybody can access the file instantly. The same way, the central file or the file which is placed in the common area, that can also serve the same way. Here I'm going to show a server. For example, here you can see, so this is your laptops. For example, it's an office network connection, let's say. So we have a LAN server. Let's say this is you and this is your friend and this is another colleague, let's say like that. Okay, and when the file is kept inside server, then anybody can access the server instantly. And when it is coming for a central file, that file actually multi-user data, so anybody can access, anybody can update the data instantly. So today I'm going to be explaining you how to create a central file, and I'm going to be explaining you what is local file and what is central file and how to work with Revit file. That's what I'm going to explain you today. Please continue with this video till the end. So here we have a file. Let's close and open. Okay, let's say I have just closed. So I'm creating a new file. Okay, when creating a new file, every file is local file. So if I say okay, and I'm drawing a wall or a room, let's say, so this file I'm going to save. So I'm going to save it in my local, so in my own desktop or laptop I'm going to save. Let's say the name is project 1 and the backup is 1, and I'm going to give the backup as 1, and then I'm going to save. So here you see this file now got saved in my local system. So I can go to open, I can go to my desktop, then project 1 I can select, then I can open directly. Here you can see the detach from central and create new local, it's not active. So you're just selecting the file and you're giving open. So it's my local file, and the file which is saved in my local system, other people can't access because it is not available for them to access. In case if I make this file as central file, how to create a central file? Go to collaborate, then select collaborate. Here you will get a pop-up window. So here you are getting an option. You can save within your network like a LAN server or WAN server. Otherwise you can save this file in a cloud. So here I can't select the cloud because I don't have the cloud access. Okay, so here I'm going to save it within your network. For now I don't have any server, so I'm going to save it in my system itself. So if I go to save, okay, let's consider that I'm going to save this file in a common area in a Learn server. We have just enabled the collaborate option in this file. Now I should save my model. Let's go to save, and here you can see this is the first time that the project has been saved since work sharing was enabled. This project will therefore become the central model. Do you want to save this project as a central model? Yes. Now the file got saved, but where is it saved? It's saved in the same place. In case if you want to save it in other place, go to file, go to save as, save project, and you can select any folder. You can create a new folder in your server or in your common area. Then inside that folder you can save. Keep the backup as 1 and then mention name as central file. And I'm going to save. After making this file as central model, you can see this icon as active. Now this is your central model. It is always suggested that never work on the central model. Then what should you do? After saving, you should close this file. Here you will get a pop-up window saying that you still have elements editable within your model. What do you want to do? So always do relinquish elements and work sets. Relinquish means you are releasing the ownership of the model. Okay. So how to open a central model? Now we have created the central model, and here you can see in the desktop, new folder, this is your central file, and you can see one more folder saying project 1 central, that's the file name, and then you can see underscore backup. So now to open this file, go to application. To open a central model, always go to open, then select the file, and here please check this option. So you should get this create new local available for you to open. Otherwise, in case if you get like this, detach from central, then say open, detach and preserve work set, go to file, save it in the same place, options, backup 1, okay, save, and replace the existing file. Yes. You can see the file name project 1 central. Close this file, go to open, select the file, and here you can see now create a new local is active. Check create a new local and then open. Now you can start working on the Revit model. You can check the title here. The title will include the file name project 1 central and then the username. You can see, if you see the username, that means that is your local file, and if you see the green color icon active, then this local file can be synchronized or can update to the central file. I hope now you have understood what's a normal Revit file and what is central file and what is local file. In case if you have any doubt, please write to me. Thank you. That's all for the day. Thank you. Bye bye.